When filling out the genetics of the Incredibles, dihybrid, and more, first we look at the traits. Flight, can't fly is a dominant trait, and can fly is recessive. Strength, super strong, represented by big M, and normal is recessive. Speed is normal is big S, super speed is little s. Invisibility, visible is big I, invisible is little I. And skin stretchiness, stretchy skin is big R, and normal is little r. So first we go ahead and fill out the genotypes. Right here we're given the phenotypes. Carriers mean they carry the gene, but they don't show it, meaning that they are heterozygous. So Bob, super strength, he is super strength, so he is super strong, big M. He has at least one big M. And so then we want to see, is he homozygous or heterozygous? So we look right here, and he is a carrier for strength, meaning he is heterozygous. He cannot fly. Can't fly is big F, but he's also a carrier, so he is heterozygous. He has normal speed. Normal speed, he is big S. It does not say that he is a carrier for normal speed, but as you can see, dash, he has super speed, which is little s, little s. So Bob would be big S, little s, because Dash had to get it from his dad, so he obviously is heterozygous. He is visible, which is big I. It does not tell us he's a carrier. However, if we look at Violet, Violet is invisible, so therefore Bob had to have given her a recessive allele to make her invisible. And he has normal skin, which is recessive, and if you are recessive, you show all the recessive traits. So Helen, you can go ahead and fill out the same way. She has stretchy skin, but she is a carrier for stretchy skin. She can't fly, but she's a carrier. She has normal speed, but she gave an allele for super speed to her son. She's visible, but her daughter is invisible, and she has normal strength. Dash can't fly, but he's a carrier for flight. He has normal strength. He is visible. He's not a carrier, so he must be homozygous, dominant. And he has normal skin, little r, little r. Violet can't fly, and she's a carrier. She is normal strength. She has normal speed, and she's a carrier for super speed, and she has normal skin. So doing number one, what is the chance that Bob and Helen have a child that can fly and have stretchy skin? So can fly, meaning it must be two recessive, so little f, and have stretchy skin. Stretchy skin is a dominant trait, so it needs to be big R, and it can be homozygous dominant or heterozygous, does not matter which one. So then we do Bob's genotype for flight and stretchy skin. So Bob is heterozygous for flight, and he is heterozygous for stretchy, or he is homozygous recessive for stretchy skin, little r, little r. Helen is heterozygous for flight, and she is heterozygous for stretchy skin. So what are the chances? So I'm going to go ahead and take out my scratch piece of paper, and I'm going to write this out again. Big F, little r is crossed with big F, big R, little r. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and do this distributive property. So we have big F, little r, big F, little r, little f, little r, little f, little r, and we have two possible combinations. So I'm going to go ahead and write a 2. Then I do the distributive property again. So we have big F, big R, big F, little r, little f, big R, little f, little r. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be a 2 by 4 Punnett square. Okay, so I split that in 2, And I put my 2 separate alleles, my 2 possible combinations. Then I do my 4 possible combinations. Little f, little r. And I fill in. And I suggest you trying to do this before you watch me do this, and you can use my video to help you verify the answer. Little f, big R, little r, little f, little r, little r. So I go back and I see I'm trying to look for how many are little f, big R, blank. So how many? So then I count. This one does not fit. Nope, little, there's a big F, there's a big F, there's a big F, there's a big F. This has little f, big R, yes. Big F, little r, little f, little r, no. So we have 1/8. And that is our answer. And make sure that I show my Punnett square. They have a 1/8 chance.